Hello, and welcome to EMQX Cloud tutorial. In this session, we'll explore client connection and disconnection event topics, a fundamental feature for monitoring MQTT client connectivity. We'll cover key use cases, demonstrate message handling, and take a closer look at disconnect reasons. In EMQX, client connection and disconnection events are captured through built-in event topics. These topics can record changes in client connectivity with certain properties. Although clients cannot directly subscribe to these topics, EMQX Rules Engine enables you to forward these events to other topics or integrate them into external systems for analysis. These event topics are highly valuable in EMQX deployments. They allow you to record client connection history in an external database, which is key for tracking client activity and supporting in-depth analysis. They also provide real-time monitoring of device online status to help teams make informed operational decisions. Additionally, they are critical for troubleshooting disconnects by providing detailed disconnection reasons and timestamps. Finally, they enhance security and compliance by providing a reliable, traceable record of all connections and disconnections. Let's look at an example to demonstrate how we can troubleshoot disconnects using event topics and the message republish feature. You may also forward the messages to an external system if you prefer. First, go to the data integration page in your console. Under Data Forwarding category, click Message Republish. Next, in the SQL editor, we'll define a rule to capture client disconnection events. This rule tells EMQX to extract key fields from the event topic, which will help us analyze the disconnection reasons. Click Next to add an action. In the Create Actions tab, keep the default connector as Message Republish. Here, we'll enter Client Disconnected for the topic name. Leave the rest options as their default values, and then click Confirm to finish the configuration. Now, let's test the rule and action. We'll use MQTT to simulate two clients, con and sub. Subscribe the sub client to the topic Client Disconnected, which will receive our republished messages. Next, disconnect the con client. We can see that as soon as it disconnects, the sub-client receives an event message like this. Through this simple demo, we can see how event topics provides a simple yet effective way to observe and troubleshoot client disconnections in real time. Now, let's take a closer look at the disconnect reasons provided in the event topics. The reason field helps you understand exactly why a client connection was closed. This insight is extremely useful for diagnosing connection issues and improving your client logic. The most common reason is normal, meaning the client disconnected voluntarily through the standard MQTT process. Kicked occurs when the broker actively disconnects the client through the API or on the console. Keep alive timeout happens when the client fails to send a heartbeat within the configured interval, usually due to network instability or client-side heartbeat issues, such as a missing or misconfigured keep alive mechanism. In this case, EMQX closes the connection to maintain broker stability. Not authorized indicates authentication failure or insufficient permissions, such as attempting to publish or subscribe without proper access. The TCP closed reason indicates that the client closed the TCP connection unexpectedly. This usually happens when the client application crashes, the network drops, or the connection is forcibly closed without sending a proper MQTT disconnect packet. Then we have internal error, which points to an unexpected reason such as malformed packets or other internal exceptions. Two other important reasons relate to client ID conflicts: discarded and taken over. Discarded happens when two clients connect with the same client ID and have clean start set to true. In this case, EMQX treats the new connection as a completely fresh session, along with any previous subscriptions, and establish a new one. On the other hand, taking over occurs when two clients use the same client ID but with clean start set to false. Here, the new client takes over the existing session, inheriting its subscriptions, while EMQX disconnects the old client. To avoid these issues, always assign a unique client ID to each client. This prevents session replacement loops and ensures stable, predictable connections. To sum up, client connection and disconnection event topics in EMQX Cloud provide real-time visibility into device connectivity, helping you monitor activity, troubleshoot disconnects, and maintain operational reliability. By leveraging the rules engine, these events can be seamlessly integrated into your systems to deliver operational intelligence and ensure a stable and reliable MQTT environment. Thank you for watching. For more detailed guidance, please refer to the official EMQX Cloud documentation.